Hey guys, I'm gonna be showing you what I got for Christmas. This. Ow guys, my neck hurts. This. Ow, it hurts really bad. Prank.